Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today we got a new project car for the channel. 04 Intimidator SS Monte Carlo. Let's go. Alright, 04 Monte Carlo Intimidator Supercharged. If you don't know, the Intimidator is the Dale Earnhardt Signature Series Monte Carlo. They did make some in 02, but this is a 04, which is supercharged. 02 is not. You see the custom little features right there from the factory. Earnhardt on the headrest, number 3 on the both door sills, Earnhardt signature in the dashboard. See, I picked up this car off Marketplace on Facebook. Figured it'd be a nice little daily, and there's not too many people doing Monte Carlo content around these body styles. 2000 to 2005 with the 3800 and 3800 supercharged. So as you can see, the previous owner got into a little fender bender, so I'm gonna do videos on how to save some money and get her back on the road. It is going to need both fenders, hood, front glass. Where they wrecked, something flew up on here on the pillar, so this probably be the only spot I probably take to the body shop to get fixed, because I don't have the tools to beat that back out or make that look pretty again. Mirror, suspension, everything else, it drives good. No check engine lights, no rips or tears in the interior. It needs to be fully deep cleaned, so I'm gonna do a video on that. It's only a couple rust spots on both sides, and that's going to be right here. That's where they usually start rusting, so we're going to try to save that. And then behind his body kit, water likes to get trapped in here and start to rust. He kind of took care of it, but then he kind of didn't, because in the back you got the inner of the chrome peel in, so she needs some love. And with only being these 4,000 made, I'm trying to save this one. Here's the motor. See, checked underneath. Of course, engine cradle and everything seemed to be okay. Nothing seemed to really shift when it got hit. The airbags didn't go off, so that's a plus. But there it is, 3800 supercharged, 240 horsepower, 280 torque. 3800, pretty reliable. They've been out for since the 90s. They've had them in the Grand Prix and the Buick supercharged, and later on they put them in the Monte Carlos. So yeah, there you have it. Nice little supercharged Monte Carlo. Gonna have videos, like I said, coming to it, rebuilding it. I'm gonna try to find some black Monte Carlo, so I don't have to save money and get them painted, but there's been no luck, and I'm kind of getting impatient, so I'm probably just going to get any color and just get them painted. But this is going to be a start off as a budget build, rebuild the front end, then bring this paint back out, a little oxidation and scratches, pull those out, new windshield, deep condition the carpet, restore the leather seats, clean. I'm gonna probably pull all the seats out, vacuum and shampoo the carpet. Other than that, the pull off this old tent. Other than that, like I said, she runs good. Here, let me go ahead and fire up for you guys. All right, let's hear that 3800. See, fires right up. No check engine light on, little low tire pressure, little stuff like that. But other than that, oil pressure seems to be good. Boost comes on. See, she's quiet. Like I said, it was a deal I couldn't pass up on, so we go ahead and do it for Dale. Get this baby back on the road. Well, that's gonna do it for it today. Like, share, and subscribe to keep up the future builds on it. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the front end, worry about getting that all, the headlights, bumper, fenders, hood, get all that back, and then we'll worry about the paint, then we'll worry about the interior step by step. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up on it, and I see you on the next video. Peace.